you go.
Happy
birthday, Ate
Ate
May,
May.
from Frances and...
From my.
So, my message for you is I pray that you will reach your endeavors in life and stay happy and stay faithful to God.
And for me, of course, I wish you a very, very happy birthday. And of course, on top of that, I wish you all the happiness in life. And I also wish that you'll get what your heart truly desires. And I know since you are a very selfless person, I wish that all the kindness that you give to the people that you love can be reciprocated.
Hello, Nang May. Happy birthday. Cheers to more birthdays to come. I'm praying for your good health always. Strength, daghang kwarta para sa laag na to pohon. And thank you sa imong unlimited kindness. Imong pag-guide sa mua ug suporta. And God bless you, Nang May. Take care always. We love you so much. See you next year pohon kay manaka patag mga bukid diri. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, May! Thank you sa tanan nimong tabang namo and sa imong pagpangumusta permi. I hope na you will have a good day and then that God will continue to bless you like your heart's desires. You deserve everything good in life.
See you in Texas.
See you in Texas. Bye.
Bye.
We love you.
We love you.
To my beautiful sister, May, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, and I'm wishing you many more birthdays to come. Good health, safety, and stay pretty. And also, I'm wishing your happiness always. And please take care of yourself. God be with you all the time. And thank you for everything that you have done to us. I miss you, sis. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, May. I have many, I have 100 years to come in your life, and more success, more blessing.